Hey guys, today I want to go and show you how you can get the dark mode in Google search or the Google browser here. So for that, let's say you have the very bright, that you just go to Google and then type in the search something, it doesn't matter. You just need to go on the top right and you have settings. Go there, go to search settings, and then you get this side. Or then you will go to appearance, and here you can go and set it to default. You can set it to dark or light. So set it to dark, hit save, and okay. And now we got the dark mode, guys. It'd be awesome if you check out my YouTube channel. Maybe go and check out all my other tutorial videos of lots and lots. So if you go and need to find another video where you want to go and get dark mode, check it out. Maybe I have it. And yeah, let's go and subscribe here on my channel. Bye bye.